5 minutes, easy and healthy, beneficial, super powerful bar. Do you want to know how to make this? Watch the video and you'll like it. Welcome to Lebanon Kitchen. Thank you for joining. We're going to have 2 cups of oats. Then we're going to be mixing with a half cup of honey. And then we are going to be mixing them together. And we are going to mix them together. If you think it's a little bit sticky and hard, you can add a tablespoon of milk. Thank you for watching. You also add 1 teaspoon of flax. Please tell me where you're watching from. We're also adding some flax seeds that are very rich in antioxidants. A lot of fiber in plant if you are going down in weight. Recipe you can use. Also added some chia seeds, a half cup of chia seeds, a half cup of flax seeds, together with the oats, honey, together to get a kind of sticky paste. Please tell me where you are watching from, and I'm going to send you a hug. I will shout out your name. Thank you for watching. This is a 5 minutes, no baking recipe. Easy to make, very super powerful, beneficial to you. Chia seeds is very rich in fiber, very rich in omega-3. If you eat it optimally, your body will thank you later. After that, you press the substance together. Add salt, half teaspoon of salt. Mix them together well. If you think the mixture is too thick, just add a teaspoon of milk. Add 1 lemon. Mix them together. This is a no-bake recipe. Your support. Keep supporting my new channel. Thank you for watching. Press until it is fast. The mixture, just press it with the spatula. Press it hard, and then in a separate bowl, take a cup of peanut butter. No sugar, original peanut butter. Cup of chocolate chips. If you have the other one, you can grate it into half cup. The bar, you can grate it with the carrot grating, the grating. And then put in the microwave for 40 seconds to make it warm and light to warm. See how it's light and easy to mix. Mix them together. Nuts are very healthy fats for the body. Press together, pour on top, and spread the Please subscribe to my channel. My channel is new. I will really appreciate if you support me. Thank you very much.